Hey there, welcome back to another video about Kotlin tutorials. In this tutorial, it will be a simple lesson tutorial. We will talk about comments in Kotlin. So let's get started. So comments are straightforward in usually any language. The same thing here for Kotlin, or it is the same for Java also. Let's say I have a variable called number and let's give it value of 15. Okay, now if I want one line comment, I want to comment something about this variable, we can do 2/ like that. We'll give it something. Let's say this variable is somehow tricky, just something for a comment. Okay, you can write anything here, you can write the numbers, anything, you can use anything here. Okay, and let's say you have a long description. Let's say you have a long description for something else. Let's say you declare a string builder, and I don't know, let's just declare it, string builder, like that. And let's give it a long description. You can use the long description with the slash and the asterisk sign and like that. Tap only enter and it will create the second thing for you. Okay, so this is starting the comment and ending the comment. All right, now here it's the inverse. You don't use slash and asterisk, you inverse the things. Okay, like that. And you can write here multi-line comment. Let's say you want to write this string builder has blah 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 and also blah blah blah. All right, now comments are somehow, I don't like comments. Okay, I don't like comments, and most good developers don't like comments. Why? Because if you read the book of Uncle Bob, Robert C. Martin, about clean code, you should know that comments are unnecessary. Why? Because what you are going to do with comment, you are going to try to express something from your code, right? Okay, so you are going to say that this variable is for, let's say, variable for birthday. All right, let's name this and let's name it an A. Now, in this case, yes, you need a comment because you are naming your variable A. So what does A mean? So we need a comment. But the reality, you should name the variable from its intent. So let's say it's the birthday date, like that. That way, you can express your intent via the code and not via the comment. So try as much to reduce comments in your code. All right, that will make your code more readable and it will let you try to make your code more clear. Avoid comment as much as you can, but somehow in some processes, it's a complex process that you need to explain for another developer. While in that case, try to use comments also. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next video.